Hello friends, the effect that I want to talk about today is more of a tool that helps you whilst editing rather than it's an effect that actually changes your footage in any way. So let's dive into it. What I talk about is the grid, what with its helplines can help you arrange your footage in a certain way. Go to the effects library, and in the effects we are going to put an adjustment clip above all the other clips. And then we are going to search for a grid, and you will find that in the OpenFX. Drag it on your adjustment clip. And here the best example is the 3 by 3 grid. It helps you with the rule of third, if you are not familiar with the rule of third. What it actually says is that the main object of interest is at one of these crossings. What I want to talk about in this video is that it's very pleasing if you have an eye line. And what I mean by that is that you changed your footage in a way that the eye line in different scenes, especially actually when it's the same actor, actress, character, however you want to name it, if the eye line is in every frame, but it has the same alignment. So for example, if I adjust it here, and then we go here. First, let's play it with. Yeah, you will see that it has a certain pleasing quality to it when the eyes are on the same line in the different scenes, cuts, whatever. So let's disable that for a moment and then watch it again. You will see that this helps you by arranging your footage, and that's all actually. A little helpful tool what helps you composing your imagery. I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.